Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily check printer details on your Canon TS8351a. So first, head over to the app. Now click on the printer right here. And now it should be all loading up. Now, as you guys can see here, we have the printer details. We have the TS8300 series. Also here we have the printer information, utilities, how much ink do we have, and order ink, settings for data sending, and basically that's it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.